Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. If you've never seen my face before then my name's Olivia and I post videos every Saturday and also on Thursdays, although I don't know how that's going to go, but we'll see how it works out. Today is my first day of like actual university. I've got like actual stuff going on today rather than just like freshers and welcome week. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I know a lot of universities aren't doing much in-person stuff, but I've actually got 3 hours of tutorials today that are all in person. Yeah, so we'll see how those go. I have met people on my course and like I met some of the module leaders and everything, so hopefully it'll be alright. I'm just gonna get started on my to-do list and sort out a couple of things before that starts. I'm not sure if you can really see me, but I've got about half an hour till my tutorial. I don't have to do any lectures in advance of this tutorial, it's just an introduction, but I'm going to start getting ready, sorting things out, tidying up in here a little bit, so I'll see you probably after the tutorial. Okay, I'm back from my tutorial. I'm just taking my shoes off and it was actually really good. It was just kind of like an introduction to everything, so getting a better idea of what's going on and like how it's going to work this year. Obviously a lot of it is online. Then I also went to the post room to pick up some cards and stuff I got, and it's raining, so if I look a little bit soggy that's why. But I've got about half an hour till lunch now. I'm in catered accommodation, if you didn't know, so I get all my meals provided for me from Monday until Friday. And in that half an hour I'm going to try and check my emails and see what I've got to do for this afternoon, because I think I've got an email from the lecturer for this afternoon's session, so hopefully there's not too much work for that. And then I'm going to make some weekly to-do lists for all of my different modules because I've got a lot of work to do. So I'll take you along for that. Okay, so good news, I don't have anything for this afternoon that I have to do for this afternoon. So I've just got some to-do lists to make and that will easily be done in time for lunch. Although the virtual learning hub is down, so I might not be able to do them, which is great. Problems of online uni. Okay, I'm on the floor taking my shoes off again. I've just come back from lunch. I didn't finish all my weekly to-do lists yet, so I'm going to finish that. I've got about an hour and a half until my next tutorial, so I'll definitely get it done in that time and hopefully I'll have a bit of time to start on some of the things I need to do this week. Otherwise I've got tomorrow and Wednesday free, so I'll be able to do some of that stuff tomorrow and like make sure everything's done for my lectures on Thursday, make sure everything's done for my tutorials on Thursday. I won't put you on another time lapse because I feel like all I've done today is time lapses, so I will see you in a little bit. So my 2-hour lab session ended up being about 20 minutes long, which was pretty great because that means I had time for a little rest, and it's about 4 o'clock now, so I've got an hour and a half until dinner, so I'm just gonna try and get some stuff sorted for Thursday right now. I'm going to go to dinner, do some laundry, and then just chill this evening, I think. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. It's been a pretty good first day, to be honest. It's been quite chilled, quite laid back. A lot of the things that I've done today were just kind of like introductory, so we haven't done a huge amount of like learning today. I've just got some like lectures to watch now before my tutorials on Thursday, so I've got Tuesday, Wednesday free to watch all the tutorials that I need to, watch all the lectures that I need to watch by Thursday, so that's gonna be alright. So I'm gonna get started on that now. I finished all of my to-do lists earlier, so I've got nice big to-do lists for this week for every subject, and then I'm gonna just go through the modules that I've got on Thursday first so that I know what I need to do by Thursday. If you want me to explain anything in more detail then let me know in the comments. Obviously I am doing a lot of like online uni, but we're very lucky here that we've got a lot of face-to-face stuff as well, so I've had quite a bit already. Obviously today I've had quite a lot of face-to-face stuff, so it's been nice to see people who I don't live with and actually see a tutor rather than just watching them. from a screen, but I need to get started on those lectures, so thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, then you're obviously dedicated. I'm sure this has been a bit of a boring video because it's probably just time lapses of me sat at my desk, which is pretty much all I've done today. I've been out a little bit. It's absolutely tipping it down, so it's not been too nice. But yeah, see you next week.